Guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a leg workout. The leg workout that I have been doing, that I have started to see some really great results. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer, I am not a fitness professional. Okay, I still have things that I need to learn. So if you have some tips for me, please leave them down below. That'd be greatly appreciated. So let's get into it. So the first exercise I am going to be doing is deadlifts with 25 pounds. I usually do anywhere between 12 and 15, and I do move up in weight, which I think right now I'm at 35 pounds. But for my warm-up, I do use a lighter weight. And the next exercise, I am going to be doing the squat with the 15-pound weights. I think this is like currently a good weight for me when it comes to weighted squats. So this next exercise, I still have to work on my form with, but it is the Bulgarian split squat. And when I tell you my butt just be on fire, okay, I feel it everywhere, and I absolutely love it. The next exercise is sumo squats, and I recently incorporated this into my routine. And I will say that burn that I feel on the inside of my thigh, it feels really nice. It does. But this exercise, it's not easy to do. Okay, I'm still working on getting my form correct, but you know, as you can see, I almost fell. Now, this last workout that I did was step ups, and I love step ups. It works a lot of different parts of your butt and your legs, and I love that so much. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my leg workout. I appreciate you guys for being here. If you guys did enjoy this video, can you guys please do me a favor and hit the like button down below? It helps me out so much. And if you would like to get more content like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. That will also help me out as well. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And until next time, bye guys.